Angle sum and exterior angles of triangles. A triangle is formed by three line segments that intersect only at their end points. A point where the segment intersects is a vertex of the angle. Every triangle also has three angles. The sum of the measures of the angles is 180 degrees. That's important. So when you add them, sum means add. When you add all the angles inside a triangle up, they have to add up to 180. So to find the value of x in each triangle, you take the measurements that they give you. So they give you 82. You add everything up. Plus 75 plus this one we don't know, so we'll call it x, equals 180 degrees. Okay, so 82 plus 75 is 157. Subtract out 157, so you get x by itself. Those cancel. 180 minus 157 is 23. So x equals 23. I'm not going to call it 23 degrees because they already have the degree symbol with the x. So I'm just going to say x equals 23. On the next one, the numbers they give you are 43 plus, okay, this little box is the geometric symbol for a right angle. And right angles are always 90 degrees. So a box means 90 degrees plus x. All three angles have to add up to 180. So 43 plus 90 is 133. To get x by itself, you have to subtract out 133 from both sides. Sorry, my computer's glitching on me. 180 minus 133 is 47. Okay, the next one, 45 plus 40 plus x. All three angles have to add up to 180 because it's a triangle. So you get 85 plus x, because 45 plus 40 is 85, equals 180. Subtract 85 from both sides. $180 minus 85 is 95. Okay, number 4, 50, 70, and x. So 50 plus 70 plus x equals 180 because it's a triangle. 50 plus 70 is 120. Subtract out 120 from both sides. $180 take away 120 is 60. So x equals 60. Number 5, we have a 45. Remember, the box is 90. $45, 90, and x. $45 plus 90 is 135. Subtract out 135. X equals 45. Now, I kind of already knew that because something else we haven't talked about. See these two little slashes here? That means that two of the angles have to be the same. So since this one's 90 and this one's 45, see how the 45 is across from the slash? that means the other angle across from the other slash is the same measure, 45. So they actually had it marked geometrically on this one, where we didn't have to do all this work. But I just wanted to remind you how to add triangles to be 180. Okay, the next one is 40, 30, and X. Three triangles have to add up to 180 inside a triangle. I mean, three angles have to add up to 180. So 70 plus X equals 180. Subtract out 70. So 180 take away 70 is 110. So X equals 110. The next one is 22 plus 26 plus X equals 180. 22 plus 26 is 48. Subtract out 48 from both sides so that X is by itself. 180 take away 48 is 132. So X is 132. Next one is 35, 71, and X. 35 plus 71 plus X equals 180. 35 plus 71 is 106. Plus X equals 180. Subtract out 106 so that X is by itself. You have to do it on both sides. X equals 74. And then the last one we have 41, 90. Remember the box is 90. 41, 90, and X. 41 plus 90 is 131. Subtract out 131 from both sides. (180) take away 31 is 49. X equals 49.